I'm not sure what it is. I guess I'll be okay.
I'm calling the studio, Matthew. You're not shooting today.
No.
People are depending on me.
Movies bring so much joy.
Stop. It's done.
Just get some rest.
Diva. He bought it.
Well, to celebrate the launch of the new Honda CR-V, that car company brought Ferris Bueller back for this year's Super Bowl. And it's always exciting to see what spots we're going to see during the big game. Jim Gentleman is here with a look at what we can expect. And Jim, good to see you.
Thanks, John. Good to be back.
Now, this is a huge opportunity for advertisers to get their message out there.
It is. I mean, you're talking about an audience of 100 million plus. Last year's game was 111 million. These 30-second ads go for $3.5 million this year. So the stakes are high, and it's not for the faint of heart if you're an advertiser.
Now, one of the spots that we saw premiere last year during the Super Bowl was the little kid dressed up as Darth Vader. It was a Volkswagen commercial.
Yep.
This spot ended up being one of the most viewed YouTube videos for all of 2011.
It was.
And there's going to be a follow-up this year, right?
There is. That spot last year was viewed by over 100 million people after the game on YouTube. So they said, you know, we got to stick with this. So this year, they're actually going to do a spot that plays along the Star Wars theme. And a teaser is already online featuring dogs barking the theme of Star Wars. So the actual spot, we're not really sure what they're going to do, but it will be the theme. Darth Vader is going to go away. So it's going to be fun to see what it'll be on Sunday.
Well, and you mentioned that there are dogs that are being used to tease this spot. Animals are one of the key factors that really draw people into these commercials, isn't it?
They are. I always like to talk about the ABCs of Super Bowl advertising. A for animals, B for babies, C for celebrities and comedy, and S for sex. I think those really, you kind of look for the formula, if you will, for Super Bowl ads. One of those four will typically be in the spot.
Well, there's going to be celebrity and sex involved in one spot featuring David Beckham.
Yes, that's right. He's actually doing a new line of underwear for H&M. And it's actually, you know, you see a lot of spots with females in them, and the men obviously enjoy. Well, this is one for the women. And actually the Super Bowl is the largest viewing audience among women as well each year. So H&M is very smart. They're going to use David Beckham to help them sell underwear. And
there are some new advertisers that we haven't traditionally seen in the past who are kind of jumping into the Super Bowl pot this year.
There are. I mean, everyone from Century 21 to Lexus, which is surprising. This is their first Super Bowl, to Danone Yogurt. There are a lot of folks who are just saying, you know what, we want to be a part of this. What better way to reach 100 million people? But their creative better be good because everybody's watching.
Absolutely, and there are some Vegas headliners that we saw at the beginning of the hour who are going to be in there too. We have some Pussycat Dolls and Elton John in that Pepsi ad with X Factor winner Melanie Amaro. So it'll be fun to see what goes down on Sunday.
Yeah, it should be a fun day.
All right, Jim, always great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Sean.
All right, Rachel.